Student of class 4, I am your computer teacher Tasmeena Seto. Today we learn book page number 55. In previous class you learn about flowchart. Today we learn how we shut down the computer. Write an algorithm and draw a flowchart showing the correct way to shut down a computer. First we follow algorithm. First step, click on the start button. Second, click on the shutdown button. Wait for the screen to turn blank. Switch off the monitor. Switch off electricity. First, click on the start button. Second step, click on the shutdown button. Number third, wait for the screen to turn blank. Number 4, switch off the monitor. Fifth step, switch off electricity. Now it's time to your homework. Follow this algorithm instruction and draw a flowchart.